Umar,
Abdullah. Zan. Hi kids. Welcome to our awesome vehicle adventure. Today we are going to explore all kind of vehicles and their sounds. We will start with their names first. Let's go. This is a car. Bus. Truck. Rickshaw. Police car. Motorbike. Train. Van. Taxi. Fire truck. Bicycle. Ambulance. Garbage truck. Airplane. Helicopter. Spacecraft. Jet. Hot air balloon. Boat. Ship. Submarine. Yacht.
now let's play a guessing game. I will play a sound and you try to guess which vehicle it is. Ready? Guess the sound. Yes, you are right. This is a police car. Guess the sound. You are correct. This is a bicycle. Guess the sound. Well done. This is an airplane. Now guess this sound. Wow, fantastic. This is a ship. Guess this sound. Great job. This is a motorbike. That was fun. Did you get them right? If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.